Just removing this old water cooler and replacing it with a bottle filler. We disconnected the electric. We'll isolate the water supply. Remove the old copper drop, the old filter, and come down in PEX piping. Mount the bottle filler to the wall there and hook her back up.
We use the Reed manufacturing tools, the reamer, the C cutter, which worked great, the small mini cutters, which really helps out on the 3/8 tubing, the ratchet cutters for the PVC, which really helps and does not make a mess and makes a nice clean cut. We were able to fit them in small areas, which is great. You know, for the size of pipe that we were cutting, I was able to get the snaps in there. You know, the ratchet cutters cut that right off, nice clean cut, no mess.
Anyone you talk to around here, it's all precision. There's a lot of pride and history in them. Pride in you know, where we live and making tools and pushing them out from here. I mean, I'm proud just to be working construction in here, you know? It's a big part of history.
Time is money. And you know, when you're using a tool that works fast and gets your job done faster, you'll make the money. Everything went well, everything works fine, and it's a wrap.